Colour drenching is when you apply the same colour on the ceiling and the walls and the trims and maybe even in the finishings like carpet, and you get a real sense of colour and envelopment in the space. To choose the colour for a ceiling, it's really important to consider the materiality in the space and what colours the walls are in the various rooms, and making sure it's a cohesive kind of feeling through the space. When I'm choosing a curtain fabric that will complement the materials that are in a space, and I want to look at that in direct comparison, I'll often pop the sample up right up close to the materials and step back and have a real sort of think about how I think that will look en masse. So I will choose from these kind of 3 more neutral kind of colours, and then take away the ones that I don't like as much. And then even if I'm left with 2 options, that's a really great starting point. Bringing curtains and fabric into a space, especially when it's colour drenched, really helps to add a textural layer to that kind of deep colour moment, and it's a really important element in a room. To stop a colour drench feeling heavy, you've got to think about what kind of space it is and how it's used. So for a lot of rooms, you want it to feel light and airy. So using a colour that's not too heavy in tone is the kind of way you want to go, but maybe sometimes you want a space to feel quite encompassed and cosy, and then it's okay to use a really strong colour on the ceilings and the walls and the trims.